All right, here we are.
Oh, jeez. Appears to be the right one.
Appears to be.
These are the expensive ones, though. They're gems. Damn. No cheap crap. Oh well. I might have some S&S in here if you want to go that way, though. It says Big Twin on it, crank thing. Which way do you want to go?
Okay. Is there a big price difference?
Yeah.
What do they run?
I don't know. But these cost more. But they're better. Guinness makes the best nuts. That's why I have a big bag for them. Yeah, you look like you want the expensive shit. Alright, you didn't clean these yet. Wagon. We always gotta go clean. Move back.
All right, we're back in the game here.
Not that much. About the same.
Sounds like somebody's sneaking in on us.
Just stealing the vehicle up front.
What's up, Scoobs?
No, you're my way. Trying to work around here. I thought you knew that. Here, Scooby. Alright. It's too big. Close though. Here's the next one down. Next one down, way down. Back to this one again. Alright, we'll do that one. Okay. See what that does? You gotta do that?
So she doesn't round off the nut?
Yep. Because the torque on that sucker is tight. I also trimmed this way back, see?
He's probably going to swing from this thing. I don't know if you can see how long it is.
Swing from the banana tree. How much was that? Didn't feel like much.
Yeah.
Because of lousy torque. Okay, what number you want?
What was it? 500?
500 way over there.
You got close.
Till the wheels started spinning the machine. Did you see it spin?
I didn't. I was paying attention to the gauge.
You weren't paying attention? Ready?
Let's do it.
Where's it at?
700 plus.
No. 500's right there.
Oh, I see. I'm reading the wrong one. So yeah, you were 5.
It was at 4 something, and with the Loctite, when we came back on, it was 520, 530. Okay, it's above the 400 or 375 that Harley says, or 350. I don't know what they use. It might be slightly more. Remember I told you that head gun when taken off was tight?
Yeah.
It's tight. It's tight. See how the shaft's further than that? It
Yep.
pulled it through. Okay. That one's tight. Next. Where's your crank pin?
Right in front of me.
I don't see it. There it is. Not the right key. That was not the right key. It's a shortcut one.
What'd you call me?
Short fat key. Was your name Key? Are you short and fat?
I'm tall and fat. Does that count?
Remember, never beat on a crank pin, it said in the rule book somewhere. Okay, you gotta make sure the hole, see how it's 90 degrees?
Yep.
See 90?
Okay. Show that again. I think I missed that on the camera.
So it's 90, key, hole. See,
Okay. Yep.
key. Just the same way. The early one's down here. It's 120, like that. You always wanna make sure you got the right one on there. If it's the wrong one, it doesn't work very well. Got that?
Got it.
What's this?
Is that blue Loctite again?
Yeah, that's the one. Don't put it over the oil hole. Preferably not. It's optional. What color is this?
Red.
Purple? Tan? Black? Doesn't fit. What happened? That's a tight one. These new nuts you got.
Somebody's fancy, man.
See the
That's
difference?
what everybody. What's that?
See the
Yeah.
difference?
Can't wait to tell everybody about
Problem
my
is
expensive
this,
nuts.
it looks like the flywheel's not going to let me use them very much. See, there's no room in there.
It's not gonna spin.
It'll be hard to put together. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work.
Maybe.
Close.
I'm not even looking at the
That's why I cut it all down to fit. She's a tight. We'll make it work. Dumbass. That was the old one. The old socket. We got the new socket. Alright, where's your other crappy nut? This key's still in it. Get that much. Get that too close. I got extra. Okay. How tight this time? All the way again?
All the way. We're going all the way with this one.
All the way downtown and back across the street? Okay. Let me do the main first. Where'd that go? Okay, we're not using that one no more. Go grab an 1.5 inch I left over there. Appears to be loose. How much torque this time?
All the way. I mean, we were like 5 and change before. I guess we're going right back.
I don't think so.
Less?
That's about it on that one. About 2.5 on that one.
Okay.
It's small. It does go by size a little bit on torques. It's not quite going all the way, but pretty good. How much was that?
Like 5.
Nope. Probably 4 at least, so. I wasn't sure it went to 4, 4.25 maybe. Maybe about 4.5 maybe. I don't know. What was your job? You're supposed to
5.
pay attention.
It was 5.
No, it wasn't. See, you can tighten their nuts to 500. Jim's nuts. S&S nuts, they kind of don't like going to 5. They'll get there eventually. They don't like it. Jim's goes up pretty quick. Harley nuts go to about 320. And they say, ah, I don't like you. And you go 350 anyway. All right. Now this is where those washers come loose in here again. Because I expand the flywheel out so big, washers get loose.
Is it spinning?
No. But I'm wiping off any excess Loctite that might have been near the crank pin area. Because I don't like that around my crank pin. Okay, where's your new bearing races, cages? These aren't, we can't use these. Those got standard bearings in them. You didn't pull out your cages yet? What's up with you? You should know we needed those. The bag is for these. I'll give you the bag for those. What are these? It's like my bike. About the same clearance. Okay, there's your side play.
Hot.
We have some?
Yeah.
Good. That's a plus. That's dangerous. Lift it like that. Look at that. That's something you would do. You lay 'em like that. You mad at me? Did I hurt you? Perfect. Just like new. There's Loctite laying there. Don't get mixed up with that. Alright. So that's called a mock-up. Do you like my mock-up?
Loved it.
We want to make sure that the rods were going to fit. It sucks when you have to put it all back together. You put it all together and you find out you got to take it back apart and grind the rods down. Because you'd have to grind these narrower if it was too fat. So you pull the crank real tight, it gets closer together.
Mm-hmm.
Pinches the rods. You gotta go make them shorter or narrower. They go like that. You have enough in here? That's not enough?
Mm-hmm.
Goes your truck. Go see what they're doing out there.